go through them. And then we learned if the curve is given in parametric form, then what is the formula. This is just parametric version of this formula only. Same formula. It is same formula. Same formula. Parametric version is this. This is the parametric version. So at times it comes handy when the curve is given in parametric form. Next we'll learn what is center of curvature. So radius found. Keep in mind what are the things we are going to learn. We are going to find curvature, radius of curvature, and center of curvature. So for curvature and radius of curvature, one formula only. Finally, for center of curvature, we have this formula, and we have seen how we have derived it. The derivation is quite easy, but going with this one, it's a bit difficult. The calculation is difficult. So what we do is we change this. We put everything. We write rho, we write sin theta, cos theta, everything in terms of y1, y2, and get this formula. This is the formula of center of curvature. X naught is any point. X naught is the general point. X naught minus y1. So basically y1 and y2 at x naught, y naught. These are the values, right? X, y1. We have found out radius of curvature. Y1, y2 at x naught, y naught. Chalo. Then we started this section. What is evolute? We have seen as the the locus of the center of curvature of a point of a variable point P is called the evolute of the curve. The curve itself is called the involute of the evolute. So we have observed yesterday that this is the curve. Suppose this is the curve. This is the curve, and this is the circle of curvature at this point P, and this is the center. So if I start moving P, the radius will also change, the center will also change, obviously the circle will also change. The circle may become smaller or bigger, whatever. We are not worried about the circle. But one thing is for sure, if we start moving P, then rho will also change. This center of curvature also will change. So as P moves, center of curvature moves along a path. That path is called the evolute. Evolute of this given curve, and this given curve is called the involute of the evolute. So two complementary names, two complementary terms. Whenever this path is given, the given path is actually the involute, nothing else. The path which is formed by movement of C is called the evolute of this curve. Now in our syllabus, what kind of question you get? You are given a curve and you are asked to find the evolute. That is what we are going to learn today. But are you clear with the meaning? What is evolute? Are you clear with
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning? Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So basically, can I say evolute is nothing but the locus of center of curvature? Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Can I say this right? So do you remember doing locus problems in joint? In class 11, 12, we
हाँ
have done locus
हाँ
problem.
हाँ
Bus. This is simple locus problem. So basically, coming back to evolute, the definition is this. The locus of the center of curvature, C, of a variable point on a curve is called the evolute of the curve. So this was the curve. This was the given curve. इसका जो center of curvature is Q. This movement, right? This movement, this curve. So as P is moving, Q is also moving. So this curve, this locus of Q is called the evolute of this given curve, which is called the involute. The given curve is called the involute. The locus of the center of curvature is called the evolute of the curve. The curve itself is called the involute of the evolute. It's like father and daughter. This is the like X is the father of Y, Y is the daughter of F, kind of. Involute is the involute of this curve. Evolute is the evolute of this curve, something like that. Here, for different points on the curve, we get different center of curvatures. The locus of all these center of curves is called the evolute. Chalo. Now let's find the evolute. First question. This is the kind of question you are going to get, but I don't know. In MCQ type, maybe they'll give you a curve and they'll give you 4 options. You have to select which one is the evolute, but you should know the method. But it's quite easy. So basically, it's a locus problem. All you have to remember is it's a locus problem. Chalo. Find the evolute of the parabola y is equal to 4x. So basically, what are the steps? We are going to find the center of curvature and then find the locus. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes.
Chalo. So let us find the center of curvature first. So you should remember the steps. Evolute is nothing but the locus of center of curvature. So we need to find the center of curvature. So for center of curvature, we need y1, y dash, y1 and y2. That's we have found out. So differentiating with respect to y, with respect differentiating with respect to x, we get this. So y1 is this, which on further differentiation gives y2. So this is y1 and y2. Thus, xc at this is x naught y naught is a variable point. Remember? So x naught y1 y2. So y1 by y2 is this. Can you see? So what is y1 by y2? If you do y1 by y2, root over a by x is cancelled, minus 1 by 2x naught. So it is 2x naught. X naught y naught is the general point. Are you understanding? Why x naught?
Yes, sir.
So x naught y naught is this point actually. This p point is the x naught y naught. This is the point. Oh, okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Just again. Micro সিমা তো এইগুলোর মধ্যে কোনটা এটা এইটাও নয় বলে ঠিক আছে নিয়ে দেবো হ্যাঁ নিয়ে দিচ্ছি নিয়ে তোর যেগুলো যেগুলো হাফ লাগবে ওটা নিয়ে নিস অসুবিধা নেই বাকিগুলোর মধ্যে রেখে দিস আবার yes so y1 so basically x naught y naught is this point p the general point chalo so this is xc and this is yc center of curvature where x naught y naught is any point on the parabola. Now tell me what to do. Can you tell? So you know what is locus problem. So basically we want to find the relation between xc and yc. Do you remember how to do locus problems? Yes.
We to let a point.
Generally what we did in class 11, 12, the moving point was taken to be hk. Then we used to find some relation between h and k and replace h by x, k by y. This was the rule, remember?
हाँ सर.
अभी
हाँ,
यहाँ
yes, sir.
x की जगह पे xc yc है. अपने को xc और yc का एक रिलेशन निकालना है and then replace xc by x, yc by y. तो can you tell me अब क्या करें? How to क्या eliminate करें अब? Can you tell? Can you guess? ये तो निकल गया. अब क्या eliminate करें? I mean, which one we should eliminate? हम कुछ eliminate करते थे, कुछ something in order to find a relation between them. X naught y naught. Is x naught y naught को we have to eliminate between these two, है ना? Because we need a relation between xc and yc. X naught y naught को eliminate करना है. तो करें कैसे करें? So x naught y naught is a point on the parabola. So can I write y naught square is equal to 4a x naught? Can I write?
हाँ.
चलो वही करेंगे. Now in order to find the locus of xc, we eliminate x naught y naught as follows. पहला equation from this x naught is from the first equation. This is the first equation. Xc is equal to 3x naught plus 2a. So x naught is xc minus 2a by 3. और दूसरे वाले में से तो दूसरा वाला थोड़ा सा अजीब है. अजीब नहीं है, मतलब yc इसके अंदर x naught into y naught है. So what we do, we proceed like this. यहाँ से what do we get? Minus x naught y naught is equal to yc. देखो तो, can you follow this? What are we doing? Minus x naught is equal to yc. Then I'm multiplying 4a x naught on both side. I mean, sorry, 4a. I'm multiplying 4a on both side. So this becomes minus 4a x naught y naught. This becomes 4a square yc. This is again y naught square. Can I write? 4a x naught.
Yes, sir.
I replace that, so I get y naught cube. इसको मैं squaring both side कर रहा हूँ. There's a reason why I'm doing this. If I square both sides, this is y naught 6. This is 16a4 yc square. Now, अब y naught square is equal to 4a x naught. दोनों को cube both side, because to get rid of this, cube root करने के लिए, to avoid of this cube root, उसको मैं higher power में लेगा. That's all. So I do cube on both sides. This is y naught 6, 64 a cube x naught cube. अब y naught 6 की जगह पे मैं ये बैठा देता हूँ 16 a4 yc. And if you do that, you are left with this. X naught y naught is gone. There is no more x naught y naught. वही था, वही aim था to get rid of x naught y naught, and we are getting a relation between yc and xc. Hence, the locus of y6 is this, which is the required evolute of y square is equal to 4x. Got it? This is what you have to do.
So in first step, why we took x naught y naught equals to ayc?
yc is minus x naught y naught ya. We found it.
Oh, yes.
So x naught y naught is answer. ठीक है? So basically, simple step. The steps are, and this is very important question, and you might get. The steps are easy. Find the center of curvature and eliminate x naught y naught. That's all. ठीक है? That's all. और किच्छु ना. Two-step sum. Okay.
Yes.
Now observe one thing. This is bit clumsy. These calculations are a bit clumsy. This is a remark. It is evident from the above problem that finding the evidence is quite laborious if the equation of the given curve is in Cartesian form. However, calculations become easier if we use the parametric form, and hence it is advisable to use the parametric form. It can be done. We have done it already. But we will see now, if we go for the parametric form of the curve, given curve, then calculations will be easy. Tell me what is the, so it is advisable. It is advisable. It is not mandatory. It is advisable. We'll see why. Can you tell me what is the parametric equation of y square is equal to 4ax? Do you remember the class 11 stuff?
80 square,
280.
80 square, y equal to
X is
280.
80 square, y is 280. Very good. Chalo. Now see how quickly we'll do this. The parametric form of y square is x is equal to 80 square 280. Thus, dx dt is 280, dy dt is 2a. So therefore, y1. What is y1? dy by dt. These things you know. dy by dt, you'll get y 1 by t. 1 by t. ठीक है. y1 is 1 by t, and y2 is this. You know all these things, so I'm not getting into this. Minus 1 by 280 square. Chalo. So x is what? This is the formula. If you put everything, you are left with 380 square plus 2a, and yc is minus 280 cube. So now what will we eliminate? What is the thing that we are going to eliminate now?
T.
T only, parameter t of x naught, y naught nahi raha.
T.
In earlier cases, we have to take care of two variables, x naught and y naught. Now we have only one variable. Simply eliminate t. So from here, the first one, what do you have? Xc minus 2a by 3a, that is t square. And this is yc by minus 2a is t cube. So squaring this one and cubing the first one. Matlab t square ka cube is t6 and t cube ka square is t6. So cubing this, squaring this, we get this. It's easy. It's easier. You see, it's very easy. So whenever you have a evolute problem, quickly take the parametric form of the given curve, find xc, yc, center of curve, and eliminate t. That's all. This will be easier. Is that okay? Got it? The steps?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let's do
Yes.
two sums. Only two sums we'll do. And then we will move on. You're almost at the end. Chalo. Center of curve. Okay, there are two methods actually. The second method is the last method which we will learn. The parabola we have done. Let's see. Let's do a simple one. The curve this. Chalo. Karo data. Tell me, what is the parametric form of xy is equal to a square? Can you tell? What is the parametric form of this? Yes.
X equals to a cos theta, y equals to a sin theta.
But the next into y is a square cos theta sin theta hoega lo. It's a square. It should satisfy the curve. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You are saying that of the ellipse. You are saying this one. This is a cos theta and b sin theta. And a cos theta a sin theta is circle. ওটা সার্কেলের a cos theta a sin theta. এটার কি হবে? You don't have
और
to
अगर
remember.
A
ए
T A by T.
Huh? Huh? Yes, tell me. You are right.
A T A by T.
Ah,
एटी
x is 80, y is a by t. Simple. If you multiply, how to I mean how to confirm that you are right or wrong? You should satisfy the
एटी
equation.
कट जाएगा
pt कट जाएगा, a square हो जाएगा. ठीक है, हो जाएगा लो. ठीक है. So
Yes.
x is 80, y is a by t. चलो करो. Find the center of curvature. I am opening the this. This is yes. This is the formula. This part. একদম কমপ্লিট করে আমাকে বলো. It's a bit lengthy. একটু টাইম লাগবে. These are lengthy problems. These are not small problems, and that is okay. Even if it is lengthy, doesn't matter. We should be doing lengthy problems too. I'm stopping this. Yeah, could you do finish this one?
সে করছি।
Okay. I'm stopping the screen share for a while. তোমরা কত তখন? Shagnik Bishas, Marmik Agarwal, and Shagni Mukherjee. You guys will not get attendance today. Now you think why you will not get.
सॉरी सर, आई विल चेंज इट टुडे सर। मैं
So
कल ही देख रहा
tomorrow
हूँ
you will,
प्रोसेस, आज चेंज कर दूँ।
next day जब change करोगे तब मिलेगा, आज तो नहीं मिलेगा। पहले change करो फिर मिलेगा attendance। চলছে তোর টিম চলছে টাকা নেই সব বলিস আমাদের কি হয় ক্লাস নিয়ে করে দিচ্ছি আমি Let me know when you are done. না 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 হ্যাঁ
Sir, it's coming x equals to y1 into yc.
y1 y6 টা কি?
Y1 is the slope.
না
dydx.
t কিচ্ছু থাকবে না, থাকবে না একদম ফাইনালি একদম জাস্ট xc আর yc একটা রিলেশন থাকবে, আর a থাকবে অবভিয়াসলি, a xc yc, t থাকবেই না। দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড দ্য লোকাস, রাইট? চলো আমাকে বলো xc কত বেরিয়েছে। চলো লেটস ডু দিস ওয়ান, এটা করা যাক। Let's do one. So the curve is xy is equal to a square. A square to? A square. So x is 80 and y is a by t. Chalo. Quickly. What is dx dt?
A.
A. And I'm writing y dash. লিখছি না। Y dash means dy dt. What is dy dt?
Minus a
1 by
by
80
t
square.
square.
Minus a by t square. Chalo. So our first job is to find y1. Y1 is dy dx, that is dy dt
Minus
by
1
dx
by-
dt. তো কত আসছে?
Minus 1 by t square.
Minus 1 by t square. Very good. This is what about y2? Y2 টা একটুখানি কাজ করতে হবে। What is y2? This
Minus
is
2 by a.
কি করে হলো? This is
Sir, 2 by t minus t to the power minus 2.
this is ddt of y1
Sir, 2a by t क्यों आ रहा है?
into dt dx. Have you done this into dt dx?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये चाहिए। This is step 2.
2a by t क्यों आएगा? 2 by
Min-
t cube
ये
a.
आ
Minus
जाएगा।
2 by a t cube.
This is 2 by t cube पहला वाला into 1 by a. dt dx is 1 by a. So 2 by t cube. Okay? Is that okay?
हाँ सर ये
चलो अब xc क्या है? What is xc? This is x naught minus y1 by y2 into 1 y1 square. Right, अब फॉर्मूला देख लो। x naught minus y1 by 2. So बैठा दो सब। What is x naught? What is x naught? 80 minus y1 by y2. तो minus y1 by y2 करें तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, तो कितना आएगा? What should I write?
80 by 2.
80 by 2.
80 by 2.
Correct. 80 by 2. If you do it, just do this one. T square कटेगा by 2 8. Wait. Minus 2 by t. हाँ ठीक है। Wait. 80 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by t4. t4 ঠিক আছে। এটা যদি simplify করো, so if you simplify this one, so 80 plus 80 was 380 by 2, the first one. 380 by 2, first one, and the second one will be a by 2t cube. A by 2t cube. Chalo. What about yc? Yc is y naught plus 1 by y2. 1 plus y1 square. আমরা দেখে নাও। y naught plus 1 by y2, 1 plus y1 square. So y naught is a by t. A by t plus 1 by y2 is a t cube by 2 into the same thing, 1 plus 1 by t4. So if you multiply it, this is a t cube by 2 by 2, and this one will be a by 2t, a by 2t and a by t. This will be how much if you add this to 3a by 2t. Is that okay? If you add this, am I right? A by t plus a by 2t, a by t common one. हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है. Is that okay?
Yes.
हाँ सर.
अब यहां से तो अपने को एलिमिनेट करना है. तो एक बात तो तय है यहां से, दिस इज, if you take out a by 2 common, let me write on the different page. Let us use a different color. So a by 2 common आ जाए तो 2 by a xc will be 3t by 1 by 3t plus 1 by 2t 1 by t cube. ये हो गया पहला वाला. a by 2 कॉमन लेके उधर ले गया मैं, 2 by 3t by 1 by t cube. Similarly a by 2, 2 by a yc will be t cube plus 3 by t. चलो, this is the scenario now. Now tell me अब क्या करें, बताओ how to do.
2 by a को राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे और x से y से निकालेंगे.
How can you eliminate? See, our like our aim is to get rid of t. So how can we do that? Think. What you said, t will stay. We want to get rid of t. So yes, what can we do? Yes. How can we get rid of? Think.
सर कुछ लेट कर सकते हैं क्या टी को?
क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं? और यही मेन काम है अब इसको एलिमिनेट करना.
1 by yc into
सर कुछ अज्यूम कर सकते हैं टी को ना?
हाँ, दैट यू कैन डू. बस टी को एलिमिनेट करना है, कुछ कैसे भी करके टी को एलिमिनेट करना है. क्या एज्यूम करे टी को? क्या कर सकते हैं? एज्यूम करके भी कुछ फायदा नहीं. दे एक दिख रहा है कुछ.
सर,
अगर दोनों को ऐड, हाँ बोलो. इफ यू ऐड देम अप, तो ये 3 वाला पार्ट जो है ना, तो 3 कॉमन लेके t प्लस 1 बाई टी आएगा, और ये वाला पार्ट आएगा t क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई टी क्यूब. यहाँ से कुछ हो सकता है कि a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब का क्या फॉर्मूला है? a प्लस b.
हाँ,
सर t प्लस 1 बाई टी होल क्यूब आएगा.
हाँ ना, होल क्यूब. ओ ना, होल क्यूब की कोई আসছে?
सर हो जाएगा सर, आ जाएगा सर.
सर 3 into t square into 1 by t 3t, 3 into t into 1 by t square 3 by t.
t plus 1 by t whole cube also. If I do that, then first term is t cube, which is there. b cube 1 by t cube is there. 3 t square into t, so 3t. Yes, we have plus 3. Okay, great, good. So if we add them up, 2 by a common, good, this is a good observation. Xc plus yc will be t plus 1 by t whole cube. ठीक है, then what? चलो, this is correct.
सर अब माइनस कर देंगे।
क्या माइनस कर देंगे?
वही दोनों को, तो टी माइनस वन बाई टी का होल क्यूब आ जाएगा।
अच्छा ठीक है, उसके बाद ओके ओके करेक्ट। फिर
इक्वेट कर देंगे तो एक्स वाई सी आ जाएगा।
कैसे आएगा? एक्स सी माइनस वाई सी विल बी, हाँ ये हो रहा है क्या? मतलब एक्स सी माइनस वाई सी करे तो मतलब नहीं, वाई सी माइनस एक्स
बहुत
सी
लेंदी,
करना,
नहीं बहुत लेंदी जाएगा बट।
हाँ वाई सी माइनस एक्स सी करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन फिर भी देखते हैं, जब कुछ खराब नहीं बोले हो, वैसे अच्छा ही बोले हो। yc minus xc because I need t cube. So t cube क्या होता है फॉर्मूला?
भाई ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर बी प्लस 3ab।
दिस a क्यूब हो गया माइनस बी क्यूब हो गया माइनस 3a स्क्वायर बी।
वो भी हो गया।
नहीं हो रहा है, हाँ माइनस से, हाँ वो भी हो गया, हाँ हो गया। चलो फिर अब क्या करें?
सर ये क्यूब हटा सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ ये
क्यूब
हाँ टू द पावर 1/3 हो जाएगा।
हाँ, फिर तो सर टी और बाई टी को ऐड कर दिए तो हट जाएगा ना, दोनों इक्वेशन
चलो
को अगर ऐड
then
कर दिए तो।
so 2 by a yc माइनस xc के पावर में 1/3, दिस इज t माइनस 1 by t और 2 by a, इसको yc प्लस xc लिख रहा हूं मैं। to the power 1/3, this is t plus 1 by t। अब क्या करें?
अब
If
ऐड
we
कर
add
देंगे
them up, तो t आ जाएगा,
2t आ जाएगा।
2t आ जाएगा, t आ जाएगा, और सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो 1 by t आ जाएगा, मतलब 2 by t आ जाएगा। तो मिल गया ना, एक t है एक 1 by t है, मतलब one will be reciprocal of the other।
हाँ,
मतलब so basically the answer will be क्या? This sum of this two is equal to 1 by difference of this two, है ना? 2 तो कट जाएगा। Are you getting? तो और छोटा हो जाएगा। What I mean to say is, so if you add them up, चलो अगर हम उसको ऐड करते हैं तो 2 by a to the power 1/3 कॉमन गया, yc माइनस xc 1/3 प्लस yc प्लस xc 1/3। ये कितना आ रहा है? दिस इज हाउ मच? दिस इज 2t, है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर।
दिस 2t। सो बेसिकली एक 1/2 यहाँ पे 1/2 कर देता हूँ तो ये t बन गया। दिस इज t, दिस इज इक्वल टू t। और सब्ट्रैक्ट करें मतलब 2 by a to the power 1/3 into वही yc माइनस xc 1/3 माइनस yc प्लस xc 1/3। ये
टू
This
लेंगे
is-
तो t आ जाएगा।
दिस इज 2 by t,
t।
दिस 2 by t, तो इसको 1/2 कर देता हूँ तो ये हो गया 1/t। तो इस पूरे को मैं इन्वर्स कर दे रहा हूँ, तो ये हो गया t, तो ये भी t, ये भी t, है ना?
हाँ
यही आंसर है, दिस इज द आंसर, दिस इज द आंसर।
बट कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा इतना बड़ा?
हाँ ये इक्वेशन है, तो इक्वेशन क्या होगी? अच्छा इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करके ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये दोनों इस तरफ जाएंगे, ये
तो फिर रैशनलाइजेशन करना पड़ेगा
थोड़ा सा, कुछ नहीं है, बस इतने वो जरूरत नहीं है, यहीं पे आंसर छोड़ देना है। ये 1 है ना, तो ये उधर जाएगा, तो ये हाफ ऑफ 1/4,
हाफ और 2a तो कट जाएगा।
नहीं हाफ ऑफ 1/4 हो गया, हाफ नीचे है, ये हाफ नीचे है, ये हाफ उधर जाके हाफ ऑफ 1/4 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So, are you getting this? Entire half is in denominator, so half goes here, 1/4, 2a to the power 1/3 वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 2a to the power 2/3 हो जाएगा, to the power 2/3 हो जाएगा, और फिर this entire thing into this entire thing, पूरा जो आएगा is equal to 1, this is the answer, है ना? बड़ा अजीब दिखता है थोड़ा सा, बट ऐसा ही होगा। So at most अब नहीं, थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है। सी क्या होगा, दिस इज a प्लस बी एंड दिस इज a माइनस बी, तो मल्टीप्लाई करें तो a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, लिख ही लेते हैं इसको। If I do that, this into this करें, so can you see this a plus b, a minus b form? ये हो जाएगा yc माइनस xc, इसका स्क्वायर मतलब 2/3 a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, इज इक्वल टू 1। एक काम कर सकते हैं, इस 4 हटाओ यहां से, इक्वल टू 4, दिस इज द आंसर। देयरफॉर लॉस क्या हो गया, y की जगह y, x की जगह x, ठीक है? इज दैट ओके? ये है आंसर। टेल मी, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेप्स?
यस सर।
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लेंदी है, बट दिस प्रॉब्लम्स आर लेंदी, ये छोटे होते नहीं, दिस आर लेंदी। चलो ठीक है, एक सम में टाइम निकल गया, वी नीड टू डू वन मोर सम, एक और सम करेंगे, फिर हम लास्ट पोर्शन में जाए। द अदर मेथड, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, देयर आर 2 मेथड्स यूजिंग बोथ द मेथड्स, तो एक मेथड तो ये है लोकस ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, दूसरा मेथड अपने को सीखना है, ठीक है? चलो, आई एम स्टॉपिंग द स्क्रीन शेयर, विल मीट अगेन कब, वेडनेसडे, ओके?
ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
चलो, ओके, बाय बाय।